So how do you succeed in Chem 3A? We're beginning chemists here. You need to be curious, you need to be imaginative, you need to want to know why things work. As children, most of us were very curious. Why does this work? What happens when I do this? And somewhere along the line, a lot of that curiosity has been beaten out of us. So I want you to re-engage that child inside who's asking why, and keep asking why. So you need to be curious. There is math involved in chemistry. You need to be willing to do calculations. Okay, I'll help you with those. But if you need help, you have to ask for help. Be committed to learning the material. Do your homework. Chemistry is a course that builds on itself. It's not like studying different works of literature where if you didn't read the first book, you could be okay on the second book because you're reading the second book. This is going to build on itself, and stuff we talk about at the beginning is going to come back again and again throughout the semester. So it's important to stay on top of this, especially in the 6-week session. There's no time to play catch-up. Homework is involved. The only way you can learn how to do chemistry is by doing chemistry. And that involves doing problems and answering questions. It's like learning the piano. You can't learn how to play the piano by watching someone else do it. If you're just coming to class and sitting here and watching me do problems, I make it look easy because it's easy for me. I've been doing it for years. But then you go home and you try to do it, or maybe you don't even do that. You just come and try to do it on the test. It's not going to be so easy because you haven't practiced. If you try to sit down and play the Moonlight Sonata by Beethoven on the piano and you've never practiced it, it doesn't matter how many times you've listened to it or watched someone play it. It's just not going to happen, right? So you have to do homework. This is a neat saying from Roald Hoffmann. He won the 1981 Nobel Prize for Chemistry. I like the idea that human beings can do anything they want to. They need to be trained sometimes. They need a teacher to awaken the intelligence within them. But to be a chemist requires no special talent, I'm glad to say. Anyone can do it with hard work. You can do this class. The question is, are you willing to put in the effort to do it? It's going to require hard work. A couple notes about the text, if you have a hard copy of the book. The answers to the questions numbered in blue in the end of chapter questions, the answers are given in a section at the end of the book. So if you need extra problems, you can do those and check your own work. The problems, there's questions and problems. The problems are paired, and so there's one that doesn't give the answer and another one numbered in blue that does give the answer, and so those are paired up. They cover the same sorts of topics.